Hey y'all, it's Future Tiana. I'm popping in really quickly. I just wanted to give an intro to this video because I clearly was just making videos and clips to put together and didn't format my videos correctly, so I didn't put an intro together for this project. So basically, this video will be about me decorating the girls' room for when we first moved into the house, and they chose a unicorn pastel theme for their room initially. It has since changed. Things we've all changed. We all evolved a little bit, got a little bit older, so our tastes and interests changed. So it's no longer unicorn. Here's my dirty little sketch and three key elements I want to incorporate in this room for three girls. Girl, listen. Don't need a man. Want a man, okay? Never need. Never need. I carried this whole desk upstairs by myself. This shit heavy. This shit heavy. I mean, I put that bitch on my shoulder one-handedly. One-handedly strong on this desk. Like, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I did that. I did that. This unicorn, believe it or not, where from? I'm pretty sure I got this from the dollar store. The dollar store. The dollar store. So freaking cute. And I just poured paint all over it, just like the walls. So that's that. And spray painted the unicorn horn silver, which is their accent color. And I have this little plant here from the $3 section in Target. And this adorable. It's not pastel, but kind of go with the theme. It really doesn't match that much, but it's okay. It's gonna be a nightlight in the dark, and that's my word. Probably gonna put this away from their bed so it's not so potent. Poke the holes where I want them, and then put them where I want it on the wall. Man.
This is pretty.
Look, Zaza.
This is pretty.
You see your room? Wow. Look, Maddie, you got a table to put your glasses when you're going to sleep. You like it, Zaza? You see the clouds? I got new teddy bears.
Is this bed mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, Zaza. Zaza. Look. Oh, look at your unicorn.
Mommy.
You got a unicorn slug.
Look, Mommy.
Y'all like it?
Yeah. It's pretty. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Me and Zah has the same bed.
Like, you got chores too.